I tried Fireblocks What app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about Fireblocks, I assumed it was just another crypto wallet for retail users. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Fireblocks isn't designed for individuals, it's built for institutions managing millions in digital assets. From the very start, I realized this platform operates on another level. It's used by banks, hedge funds, and crypto custodians around the world. During my test, I explored how Fireblocks handles transactions, custody, and security, and it completely redefined my idea of what a wallet could be. Most wallets rely on single private keys, which can be lost or stolen. Fireblocks uses something called MBC, multi-party computation. In simple terms, your private key is split into multiple encrypted pieces stored across different servers. No single person, not even Fireblocks, can access the full key. That means even if one part is compromised, your assets remain safe. I also tested its transfer system. Every transaction goes through a policy engine that enforces rules like requiring multiple approvals or limiting transfers by amount or destination. It's like having a built-in compliance department for your crypto. What really surprised me was how fast it all worked. Fireblocks Secure Network connects directly to major exchanges, DeFi protocols, and liquidity providers, so large-scale transfers happen instantly but remain fully protected. Now, it's not perfect for the everyday investor. Fireblocks is enterprise-grade, meaning it's aimed at institutions, not casual traders. But even as an individual, I came away impressed. It shows what crypto custody could look like when security is treated as mission-critical. After 7 days, the shocking truth was crystal clear. Fireblocks isn't just a wallet. It's a fortress built for the future of digital finance, where speed, security, and trust all exist in perfect balance.